Police say they will fight any cases where alleged drink drivers are let off on a technicality. An Auckland lawyer's found a legal loophole and had his client's case thrown out. And it's all because new labels on blood testing kits don't match what's in the law books. Heather Shields explains.
Each year, around 25,000 people are convicted of drink driving. But this lawyer found a technicality which got his client off, and that could have implications for thousands of others.
Each time they change the law, there's always something new that comes out. I had a feeling there must be something in the new law, so I just started looking for it and just come across it.
And it's all over this. Some incorrect wording on a blood testing kit. What should have read Science Minister had been changed to Minister for Research, Science and Technology, and that was enough to let one person off.
I think they were taken quite by surprise.
That happened way back on May 30. The appeal time has passed, but police say that's not the end of the matter, and they'll be fighting that in any similar cases.
We've actually got that inquiry with the Crown Law Office at the present time. We actually don't believe it is too late.
The Police Minister also wants answers, and he wants to know the implications of people already convicted.
Well, that's one thing we don't know. That's what they're looking at, and that's why the legal section are involved as well.
Zahir Mohamed has 3 more drink driving cases awaiting judges' decisions, but police are confident no one else will get away. One district court judge threw out the technicality argument in a separate case 3 weeks ago. But if the police fail to successfully appeal the other case, then that and many other people's convictions could be successfully overturned. Heather Shields, One News.
Police are to appeal a judge's decision which could see thousands of drink driving charges thrown out of court. An Auckland man had his case dismissed on a technicality after his lawyer argued the blood testing kit was mislabelled. Now police say they'll move to close the legal loophole.
This is one of the blood testing kits at the centre of the controversy. The label on its side refers to the Minister of Research, Science and Technology. Lawyer Zahir Mohamed successfully argued in court that according to the law, it should say the Science Minister. He believes the ruling could set a precedent for at least 2,000 other drivers facing drink driving charges.
Obviously they have good defence, as long as the charge against them is that of blood alcohol, not breath.
The police say this is nitpicking, and drunk drivers shouldn't think they can get off on a technicality.
I think there's always a very few people who actually think that and will continue to drink and drive. But the message has got home, there's less people doing that. And if these people actually drink and drive, then they're even bigger bloody idiots.
The Police Minister, George Hawkins, is also concerned. He's asked his staff for a report on the case, saying he doesn't want any drunk driver to think they can get off scot-free just because they have a good lawyer. Police are now looking at their options.
Yes, I just think it'd be prudent if we actually had a look at that and actually did relabel. It doesn't mean that we're not 100% sure that we'll win on the appeal, but I think it'd just be a sensible approach.
The judge's ruling only applies to drivers who gave blood samples, not to the thousands more who were charged after an evidential breath test. Tony Field, 3 News.